In today's video, we will learn about the computers, generations of computers, hardware and software of the computer, and input and output devices of the computer. The word computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Generally, the full form of computer is Common Operating Machine, purposely used for technological and educational research. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सब्सक्राइब करें इन्फो किट को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें नॉलेजेबल वीडियोस देखने के लिए। A computer is a programmed electromechanical device which accepts the data and process data to derive the required and useful information. Abacus was the earliest manual computer in the history of computer evolution, and it was invented by Charles Babbage. We used to give data to the computer in our own languages. For example, English, Hindi, Telugu, whichever it may be. But computer will not understand these common languages. It understands only 0 and 1. So number of low-level languages were developed, and computers translates these given data from our languages to machine languages and give the reliable output. And computers, lot of software and hardwares are available nowadays in the market as per one's requirement. Now we'll get known to the term hardware. The physical or mechanical parts of the computer which we see and touch are the hardwares of computers. For example, external hardware like monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, speakers, etc. And CPU, drive, ROM, motherboard, fan, RAM, etc. are the internal hardware. Next is the software in computer. Software in a computer is a set of instructions or programs that tell the computer how to compute the given data to act the desired output. Simply, software guides the computer at every step where to start and stop during a particular job. The process of software is called programming. An input device is any hardware device which sends the data to computer. The most commonly and frequently used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Monitor, printer, speakers are the example of output devices. An output device is also a piece of computer which translates the data into another form. It may be audiovisual, textual, or hard copy. The first generation computer period was from 1946 to 1959. The computers of first generation used vacuum tubes as major electronic component because that are the only components available during those days. The vacuum tubes were too big in size, which weighed about 30 tons, but able to do the calculations in milliseconds. First generation computers consume large amount of energy. Second generation computers period was from 1959 to 1965. सेकेंड जनरेशन में वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स की जगह ट्रांजिस्टर्स ने ले ली, जिससे कि कंप्यूटर का साइज़ काफ़ी कम हो गया, जिसके नतीजे में ऑपरेटिंग स्पीड मिली सेकेंड से माइक्रो सेकेंड्स हो गई। सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स का लूप होल ये था कि ये कंप्यूटर को लगातार मेंटेनेंस की ज़रूरत होती थी और ये स्पेसिफिक पर्पस के लिए ही इस्तेमाल हो सकती थी। The period of third generation computer is 1965 to 1971. These computers use integrated circuits, which are popularly known as chips. A single IC has many transistors, registers, and capacitors built on a single thin slice of silicon. So it is quite obvious that the size of the computer got further reduced. In the third generation computers, instead of punch card, mouse and keyboards were used. Computers of these generations were small in size, low in cost, large memory with very high processing speed, and the computational time reduced from microseconds to nanoseconds in the third generation computers. Fourth generation period is from 1971 to 1980. These computers uses large-scale integrated circuits which were built on a single silicon chip called as microprocessors, which makes it possible to place computers CPU on single chip, and this microprocessor is used to perform any logical and arithmetic function. You can see a radical change in size, versatility, and speed from first generation to fourth generation computers. Now we will continue with the fifth generation computers. The period of fifth generation computer is from 1980s onwards. These computers use optic fiber technology to handle intelligence, expert systems, robotics, etc. These computers have high processing speed and more reliability. This generation is based on ultra large scale integration technology, which results in the production of microprocessor chips consist of 10 million electronic components. These computers are user friendly but makes the human brains dull and doomed. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सबको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करें, और ऐसे ही नॉलेजेबल वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें इन्फो किट को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।